A lot of people these days feel really drained, tired and lack focus. But in this video I will show you a pranayama breathwork technique you can do every day under 10 minutes to open up the energy system and therefore feel more energized and improve your focus for during the day. And the technique is called Bhastrika Pranayama. Now, Bhastrika Pranayama is a strong breathing technique, which means you should not practice this when you suffer from high blood pressure, heart disease or illnesses, or have had any brain surgery or injury in the recent past. But if not, you can just follow my instructions from here. Well, first of all, how do we want to sit? We want to sit with a straightened spine, like this, or lotus position, or cross-legged, or even on a chair. It doesn't matter, as long as your spine is straight and you can sit comfortably for 5 to 10 minutes to really focus on the breathing. Now, second, how do we want to breathe? Well, with Bhastrika Pranayama, we want to make use of the foundation of pranayamic breathing, which means we want to make use of the 3-step yogic breathing technique, which is we want to breathe in and out through our nose, and with the breath in we want to draw the breath into the belly, into the sides, into the heart area, and then let go of the breath. And it looks like this. Now with Bhastrika Pranayama, the only thing we add is with the breath in, we put the arms in the air, and with the breath out, we clench our fist, push the breath out and push the arms down and let go of the breath. So it looks like this. Now, in this video, we're going to do 3 rounds together. The first round will be 9 breaths, the second round will be 15 breaths, and the third round will be 21 breaths. And between each round, we will do some gentle, slow breathing to let the technique do its work and you can feel the energy flowing through your body. So on the last breath of each set, you let your arms sink down, you breathe out very slowly and you put your hands on your knees with the palms up, preferably with the index finger touching the thumb. And we're going to sit for a moment, breathe, and just let everything settle before we go to the next round. At the end of the video, I will use the Tibetan bowl to close the session, so you can just close your eyes, and when you hear the Tibetan bowl, you know the session is over. Don't push yourself, just do what you can, and then we'll start the exercise. First round, 9 breaths. Here we go. So we close the eyes, arms in the air, breathe in and out. Last breath, breathe out slowly and let the arms sink down to the knees, palms up and the index finger touching the thumbs. Now breathe in and out through the nose, very slowly, let everything settle. Keep focusing on the present moment. Feel what this technique is doing to your body and the energy within. We're going to take a couple of more very slow, very gentle breaths in and out through the nose. One more breath and make yourself ready for the second round. Breathe out very slowly. Breathe in, arms in the air, 15 breaths. And last breath, in and out very slowly through the nose. Let the arms sink down, palms on your knees, palms up, index finger touching the thumbs. And breathe very slowly in and out through the nose, into the belly, into the heart area and let go. Now feel the technique do its work. Maybe you feel some tingling in your hands or a little light in the head. Really do a body scan. What are you feeling right now? Keep breathing very slow, very gentle. Take a couple of very slow, deep, gentle breaths into the nose, into the belly, the sides and the heart area, and prepare for the third round. Just take one more very deep, slow breath. Breathe out. And we're going for the third round, 21 breaths. So breathe in, arms in the air. Last breath in. And breathe out very slowly. Let your hands sink onto your knees. Palms up. Index finger touching the thumbs. And let the technique do its work. Breathe very slowly. Keep focusing on the here and now. Just keep focusing on the breath going in and out through your nose into the body, energizing your body, but keep breathing very slow and very gentle. Let the technique sink in, let the body settle. Just a couple more slow breaths. Stay focused on the breath. You can open your eyes and you can really feel that the body's energized. You feel more focused and you can do this practice every day, but I only recommend to do it early in the day, like morning or early afternoon, but don't do it before sleeping because this can really keep you awake. So if you want to learn more about pranayama breathwork and health, then you can hit the like and subscribe button below and join the tribe.